These days, we all are experiencing climate change and very high temperatures, and there are a lot of reasons behind this. Some reasons are deforestation, increased level of CO2, increased level of chlorofluorocarbons, and global warming. And today, I am going to emphasize on global warming. Global warming is the warming of Earth's atmosphere, and the main reason of global warming is greenhouse gases emission. Now, what are greenhouse gases? These gases are like chlorofluorocarbons and CO2. These gases trap in the Earth's atmosphere and radiates and traps the heat, due to which we overall experience a very high temperature. Now, what we should do to maintain this climate and do not see further climate change? We should plant more trees, use electric vehicles, and use public transport. We should reduce the use of air conditioners and enjoy the outside areas and under the trees. Thank you.